Hey, what's up everyone? There's a video I would like for y'all to check out on YouTube for me. I have a drone. I bought me a drone like a week ago. I bought me a DJI SPARKs. I started flying the DJI SPARKs about a week ago. That was my first time ever flying a drone my entire life. My experience with the DJI SPARKs is great. I'm not gonna say that the DJI SPARKs is the best camera in the world out there. I think the GoPro Hero 7 Black is way much better picture quality than the DJI SPARKs. But for beginners, if you're a beginner flying a drone, I would recommend you the DJI SPARKs. So check this video out right now that I'm about to show y'all on YouTube, alright?
I hear your cries and I feel no pain. I'll wash away the hurt and broken chains. After all these years, your heart's so cold to me. Your heart is heavy and it's lonely too. I'd give you more, but I'm over you. After all this time, your eyes are cold to me. Oh, give me all the things that you don't need. Fill me up with the air you breathe. If I ever see the day that you don't want me, use me up, cut me dry, shut my mouth, say goodbye. I'll let go of what I know. Break my world, 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 break. Shut my mouth, say goodbye. I'll let